Dig a 200mm by 200mm deep trench along the perimeter of your worksite. Ensure to deposit the soil onto the disturbed side of the fence. Place steel Y posts between 2 metres and 4 metres apart along the trench, 800mm into the soil. Fasten a safety cap to each steel Y post using a cable tie. Feed wire through the second hole from the top of the steel Y post and attach a wire strainer. Then use the wire strainer to tension the wire. Repeat this process through the hole halfway between the soil and the top wire. Use the wire strainer to tension the wire. Roll your silt fence along the trench against your fence. Ensure that 200mm of the silt fence is laid along the 200mm base. Fasten your silt fence to the top wire using butterfly clips or pins. 200mm to 500mm spacings should be used between clips or pins. Repeat these steps along the entire fence. Backfill the trench with soil. Compact the base of the trench.